just to give you guys a little background on my hair, I did have my hair straightened recently, so I wanted to see how my hair would revert back with this different technique as far as applying this leave-in. So I'm going to go in with this leave-in, and I was pretty generous because I don't normally put a leave-in in my hair or any type of oils like that until like after the fact. And now I'm going to go in with the jelly, and this is like legit a jelly. So I smooth it in at the roots. I just like to do that because I like my hair to be super defined from the root all the way to the end. If you can see my curl pattern, I don't have a really tight one. My hair is, I guess you could say, kind of wavy. It's just different curl patterns throughout my whole entire hair. But y'all, this stuff had amazing slip. Like, I was really, really impressed like how the two products work so well together, because the jelly, it normally gives me this effect, but not really by itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up and let you guys watch. I'm just going to continue to go through my hair with the same technique. So I wanted to pop in and tell you guys about the front of my hair. This is my problem area, especially on this side. Just the front of my head really is like the problem part of my hair. The curls are a lot looser, and even with that issue, I noticed that the product really clung to my curls and clumped them together, and I was really surprised because a lot of products don't do this. I used the jelly before, like I told you guys, but with the leave-in, I feel like it really, really just like made everything just hold together, and it just had a really awesome shine. So I'm done with my hair, and I am obsessed. I can already tell just how my hair looks right now that it's going to dry really, really nicely. So the only product that I've never used before is this Lavish Curls moisturizer. It says you can use it for second day curl refresher, and it's a daily leave-in. So this is what I got for my birthday. I actually got pretty much almost the whole Curls Blueberry Bliss line, but yes, and then I had to use my new Blueberry Bliss, like my new bottle. This is the Curl Control Jelly, and my hair works really well when I use any type of jelly or gel in my hair. It doesn't really work well like when I use creams, and I'm not one of those people that use leave-ins in their hair or like a moisturizer before I put my gels and stuff in, because I don't know, like I just always feel like my hair has a tendency of just not responding to a lot of products, so I try not to mix a whole bunch of products together. But I am really surprised like how well my hair looks. My hair actually looks 10 times better, and I believe that it is because of this. Turn around so you guys can like really get a look of how my hair is. I'm like scooting along. So this is the back, and this is the side, and this is the front. So can you guys see? But thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know down below if you guys try out these products. They're not expensive, but they're not cheap. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Fear of fucking planes. Excuse me, sorry, but you throw a fear of planes and I'm just like, y'all have knocked me out on this plane because my nerves is gonna be real bad. So anyway,